Traders, welcome back again to another video. This one's really going to be short and sweet as nothing much has happened since yesterday. As I said from the last video, we did get an aggressive pullback after this low got broken, and we're so close to this. Actually, let me get rid of this H4 zone. Um, getting touched. So I guess I'm just waiting to see what happens here to maybe see if we can take a short tomorrow or if it actually breaks through this and then goes up to the daily level. So just going to have to be patient, guys, and wait and see what is actually happening. Market's just doing this thing right now as I said in the previous video, this aggressive pullback was expected after breaking this low. So now it's just about lying in wait and playing the event chain. Once it gets to this H4 zone, if we start to see 15-minute event breaks holding, then more than likely it's going to push further up. And if it does, then we'll be looking for H1 event breaks off the daily chart. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be back. This is coming out tomorrow, so I'll be back next week. Have a good weekend.